No.
Welcome to the revision class. Revision class for the final examination SA2. Next month there will be final examinations for you. The syllabus for the final examination is already sent to you yesterday in the WhatsApp. Whatever the chapters are there, I am going to revise one by one. The first chapter coming for SA2, chords and wheels. This we did 3 months ago. Chords and wheels is the easiest chapter, which is completely based on practicals. Okay. So how to draw a circle? This already we learned. Again, we are going to do today with the help of geometry compass using this. Before we go for problems, let me introduce once again what do you mean by circle. In your regular life, you might have seen many shapes which are, looks like a circle. Many shapes. Some wall clocks looks like a circle. Okay. So circle, the diagram is here. This point is called always the center point. This is called center. The distance from center onto the circle. O is the center. A is a point on the circle. Then OA is called radius of the circle. Mute yourself and just listen. OA is called radius of the circle. If I extend here, OB is also called radius of the circle. From center to circumference is called radius. AB, from A to B, the line passing through the center. AB, which is called diameter.
Diameter.
And the diameter is always 2 times radius. Diameter is always double to the radius. You will get maximum problems based on this formula. Radius will be given, you have to find diameter. Sometimes diameter will be given, you have to find radius. When radius is given, multiply with 2 to get diameter. If diameter is given, divide by 2 to get the radius. So radius will be diameter divided by 2. So these two formulae will help us to solve maximum problems of the question. This boundary is there, no? This boundary. Recently we did speeds and controls. This boundary of the circle is called perimeter. The boundary of the circle is called perimeter. On perimeter, if you take any 2 points and join a line, that is called chord of the circle. This is called chord of the circle. PQ is called chord of the circle. Radius, this is diameter. Center, this is the chord of the circle. So these are the components of a circle. In a circle, you can find center, you can find radius, diameter, and chord. All will be available in a circle. Radius is always half of the diameter, and diameter is always 2 times the radius. All problems, maximum problems will come based on these formulas. What are the problems we are going to get? I will share one worksheet. Whatever the problems on the worksheet, we will revise them one by one. Since the something is already completed, you please try to do on your own. If you are not getting, ask me. I will help you. I will give them. Whether you want to write something in the revision class, you can write these two formulas. Okay. Yeah, make me like mute yourself. Yeah? Yes. Anupama need to buy a clock which is circular. Would you like to help him? Find one. There are 4 different type of wall clocks are available. Among these 4 wall clocks, which looks like a circle, that you have to answer. Out of these 4 wall clocks, which looks like a circle?
Like this.
Sir, last one. Last one, sir. D.
One.
D1.
Yes. D is the answer.
Sir, we have to write
Sir, you will
this.
send fourth one, sir.
D is the answer.
Sir, you will send PDF.
Yes, I will send the PDF. No need to write now. Diagrams are there. Don't write. You have to draw the diagram. It takes time. Don't write. So the first question, D is the answer. That wall clock looks like a circle. Coming to the second question.
Sir, A and C.
Second question. Four variety of fruits are mentioned here, which looks like a circle.
A and sir. C, sir.
Yes.
Watermelon and lemon.
A and C looks like a circle. Good. Next.
ఎంత చెప్పిన మూడు దినాల కయ్యం తీసుకొస్తాడు 3 దినాల గ్లోలి తీసుకొస్తాడు
A1 panda.
The parents are talking there. Ask them to maintain silence, ma.
ఇట్లా తెగించి తెచ్చి మనసు మీదకి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక ఇట్లా నువ్వు
Ask your parents to keep yourself.
A1 sir. Sir panda. A1 sir.
Ask your parents to mute yourself. Ask your parents not to talk. When they are talking, mute yourself. Whole class will be disturbed. I have told you many times, you don't listen. Which one of the following made with the help of a circle? First one, panda. So third question, A. Next. Which one of them can be made with the help of a circle? 2 diagrams are there, looks like a joker diagrams. Some different diagrams are there. Which one looks like a circle? The first one looks like a circle. Next. Different coins are there. Different coins in the form of circle. Okay.
Sir, A and B, sir.
What A and B? Read the question first. Which of them has?
Sir A1.
Sir, A.
A1. Sir A. A sir.
A, sir.
A1 sir.
The bigger one will have more radius. The first one is having more radius. Okay. So just warm up questions this. Now the real stuff starts here. Now all of you take your notebook and compass. Start doing the first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Okay. So draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So you have to use compass. All of you take compass. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So you know how to use the compass. In the middle of the notebook, locate a point which is called center. Compass. The sharp edge has to be kept here. Okay. Before that, take a ruler, scale, and adjust this to 6 centimeters. This gap should be 6 centimeters. Okay. This you can adjust here. You can adjust like this. You can adjust. Okay. So here, draw the circle. Draw the circle. 6 centimeters. If the circle is drawn, you can show it to me. Guru Satvik, why you are sleeping in the class? Guru Satvik. Guru Satvik. Why you are sleeping in the class, ma?
Yes, sir.
I will told you
Sir, mine's over.
the compass. Do
Sir.
it.
Sir, over, sir.
Satvik, draw the circle and show it to me. Okay,
Sir.
fine. Harshini, fine.
Sir, mine is
Fine.
done.
Sir, over.
Sir, mine is done, sir.
Good. Okay. Farooq,
Sir, mine is also done.
good. Kelvin, Joy, good. Partha, show it to me.
Sir,
Draw the circle. Radius 6 centimeters.
I have done. Huzaifa.
Okay, Hujifa, see.
Sir, Mohammed Furqan, sir.
Guru Satvik, where are you? Draw the
Here only, sir.
Okay. In the same question, after this, you have to draw one more circle with
mine's also,
radius
sir.
4 centimeters, taking this as the same center. The problem is not yet completed now. Draw a circle. You have to draw a circle
4 centimeter.
with the 4 centimeter radius. So again, take the compass, adjust to 4 centimeters, then draw the circle. Same center. Mute yourself.
Sir, inside that circle only,
Same.
we should.
The same center, draw one more circle of 4 centimeter radius.
In the same circle, we should draw again a circle
Yes.
of 4. Okay, sir.
This is the question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters with the same center. Draw another circle of radius 4 centimeters
Sir, over, sir.
within the circle. Then one more circle, draw 2 radius.
Sir, over.
Okay, okay. Let others do. Please mute yourself at someone home TV is running. With the same center, draw one more circle of radius 4 centimeters. Inside the big circle you will get. Once it is done, the question is draw one more circle with the radius 2 with the same center.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Sir, done. Mine is over.
Done, sir.
Next question, which is very important.
Sir,
Good morning, sir.
Who's the idiot saying good morning now?
Sir, we can write that.
Yes. Complete the table. Radius is given. You are supposed to find the diameter. Diameter is 2 times radius.
Is equal to 14.
Diameter will be double to this. So multiply with 2 times.
Diameter is 14.
14. Very good. Mute yourself. Noise is coming. Won't you understand? How many times I've told you? So whenever radius is given, diameter is very simple. You have to multiply with 2, double to it. 3 centimeters. Diameter will be double, 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
12 centimeters. 2 into 12.
4 centimeters. 8 centimeters.
8 centimeters.
Centimeters, sir. Eight centimeters, sir.
So double, you double it, you will get the answer. Now reverse to that. Diameter is given. Sorry. Oh, second one is also same. Radius is given, diameter. Okay, same question. I thought different. Radius, diameter. Again same. 6 centimeters. 11.5.
12 centimeters.
12.5. Double to this. 6 double. 12 centimeters.
12 centimeters, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the answer is 12 centimeters. 11.5 double is 23 centimeters.
Yeah, sir. The answer is 2 centimeters.
15, 15 the 30.
Double to it. 4.5. 4 double is 8. 0.5 double will be 1. So 4 plus 8 plus 1, 9. 4.5. 4.5 add 9.0. Double means adding twice. Double means adding twice. 4.5 again 4.
So next.
4.5 and 4.5 will give 9. Like this, you have to complete the table.
Over, sir.
Done, sir.
The table is done by all the students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Sure.
Three small
Yes, sir.
blanks are there. Diameter equal to dash of radius double of radius. Diameter is always double to the radius.
Yes, sir.
Radius equal to half of diameter. Half of diameter. Diameter equal to twice or double to the radius. Radius is equal to half of the diameter. Radius is equal to half of the diameter. What is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is always double to the radius. D will be 2 into R. That is the fill in the blanks. Next one. Done these three. Now,
Wait. No.
Done, sir.
Not, sir.
Completed, sir.
next one
complete.
circle is here. What I
Sir,
did, the first example, what I told today in the class, similar to that. One diagram is given. There are some parts are mentioned. You have to name one by one. What is AB? What is AB? In the
we have to draw that circle.
yes, you have to draw the circle. You have to name the things. Everything you have to do. Take a compass or a bangle. Draw the circle immediately. PQ, AB, OC, everything you have to mention there, and you
And
have
it's
to
done,
do
sir.
same
Yes, sir.
read in the regular class also.
So done, sir. Over, sir.
You have to name
Not over, sir.
what is AB. AB name. What is AB in the diagram?
Sir, done.
Diameter.
AB is called diameter.
Diameter.
OB. OB is called
Radius.
yes.
Sir, radius.
Yes. OC. OC also called radius. Center.
Radius.
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 Radius, sir.
Radius.
Coming in the
Yes,
back.
sir.
Why don't you mute yourself? I got fed up by telling this one. PQ. PQ is called chord of the circle. PQ, chord of the circle. This one is called chord. OA. OA is also called as radius. Center.
Radius.
Sir, OA is radius.
OB radius, OC radius, OA radius. All three are radius only. Whereas PQ is the chord. Very easy question. Draw a circle. Name the point.
Sir, done. ఎప్పుడు ఒక 10-20 minutes ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది.
Parents are talking in the background. Why don't you ask them to maintain silence or mute yourself? Otherwise, I have to mute all of you. Next. This is also same type. Ditto, same question. Only names are changed. O is called center. O is called center of the circle. AB is called chord of the circle. ST is called complete line diameter. OC is called radius. OT is called radius. Okay. So do it fast. Eighth question. O is called center of the circle. AB, chord of the circle. ST, diameter of the circle. OC, radius. OT is also radius. Coming to the ninth question. Diameter is 12 centimeters. They are asking what is radius. Radius is always half of the diameter. Half of the diameter, that will be 12 by 2, that is 6 centimeters.
Sir, excuse me, side please, sir. Sir, can you move side? Sir, 12 after what, sir? B, C, Y, sir. 12 by 2, right, sir.
12 by 2. 12 divided by 2 will be 6 centimeters.
Dented. Over, sir. Sir, we can't see that.
Sir, over.
Why on your home?
Over.
Radius is 7 centimeters. What is the diameter? Diameter is always 2 into radius. So 2 into 7, which is 14.
14.
Sir, 14. Sir, the answer is 14 centimeter.
Correct, correct, correct. No. Same type. Here,
Done, sir.
diameter and radius. Out of two, one is given, you have to find the other. One example is already there.
Sir, all are same circle, sir. Sir, our. Okay. I understand. Sir, could you go a bit up?
What is the first one? Diameter is 6. What is radius? Diameter is 6. Radius.
3.
Radius is half of the diameter.
Sir, 3.
So 3. Sir, 3.
3, sir. 3. Answer is 3.
3.
Sir, the answer is 3, sir. 3, sir.
Sir, answer is 3, sir.
Yes.
Answer is 65.
B1. Radius 3. What is diameter?
6.
Diameter is double to the radius. So it is
6.
6.
The answer is 6.
Sir, the first one and the second one are same.
but their diameter is given. Here radius is given. They are different only.
Oh.
Next. What is the diameter? Radius is given as 2 centimeters.
Diameter is 4 centimeters. Sir, the answer is 4.
4.
Sir, the answer is 4.
4 is the right answer.
4, sir, answer. 4 centimeters, sir.
Done, long back done. Next D.
The radius is 4 centimeters, sir.
Yes. Diameter is 8. What is radius? So half of that.
Sir, 4.
Sir, 4, sir. What is
Sir,
that?
4.
Again,
4, sir.
14 centimeters.
no,
14, sir.
no, not 14.
8
Diameter is 7. Radius.
Radio is
Diameter
equal to 4 centimeters. Excuse me, sir. Side, please.
7 divided by 2.
Sir, side, please.
3.5.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
diameter is equal to 7 centimeters. Radio is equal to diameter. DIA diameter divided by 2.
Here diameter is given. Radius will be half of the diameter. Half of 7. Half of 7.
Divided by 2. 3.5.
Sir, dance.
Half of 7 is 3.5.
Sir, how is it 3.5?
3.5. Half of 7. 7 divided by 2. 7. Half of 7 is always 3.5. Look. 3 double is 6. 4 double is 8. It is between 6 and 8. So 3.5.
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today's revision class.
Sir, time is not over.
41.
So time is 9 to 50. 7:40.
So that is for today's revision class. Very easy chapter. You have to use compass if you want to draw the circle. Problems on radius and diameter will be asked more in the examination. Okay. So after the class, I will share the video and also the PDF. All questions are done in the class itself. Those you have not taken, those not completed, they can use the PDF and complete this. You have to do in the classwork itself, in the notebook itself. Because syllabus is done, we are doing revision. There are 5 chapters I have already mentioned yesterday, which are going to come for the final examination. One by one, we will revise. Today, this chapter is completed. Worksheet, I will share the same worksheet. Those who not completed, they can do it. Diameter and radius, the relation between these two is very important. You will get questions on this. Subject enrichment, already I sent long back, but I got very less response. Again, I repeat, those who are not done the subject, those who are not done, please do it. Inform your friends. Those who are not done, ask them to do it. Subject enrichment 10 marks carries in the final examination. Okay. So in the next class, we meet with one more chapter for the revision. All these chapters are done in the regular class, worksheets, YouTube video, everything is shared. Again, I am revising so that it will be helpful to you when you are going for the final examination.